Hello, I'm Jolanta. Welcome to my channel. I couldn't resist the temptation to show you my phloxes. I'm very fond of phloxes. We have been growing phloxes, especially Phloxes paniculata, hardy perennials, forever. So I mean for about 50 years. I must tell you, I have got no control whatsoever over the colors of my phloxes due to the phenomenon called cross-pollination. So each year I've got new colors and I just simply cannot wait for what's going to grow in my garden the following spring. Phloxes originate in North America, but at some point they were introduced in Europe. Hence the phloxes in my garden, in my cottage style garden. As far as I remember, they were even in medicinal use by the local native tribes in North America. Nowadays we don't treat them as a medicine, we just enjoy the color and fragrance. They seem to flower forever, they are basically trouble-free. Sometimes they suffer from fungal diseases, but this year has been very kind to them. The weather has been very kind to them. And look what I've got this year. They are simply stunning, aren't they? I hope you have liked my Floxes as much as I have. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.